Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix apps keeps crashing or closing after Windows 11 cumulative update. If you have updated your Windows to a newer version and you're facing the issue that after you update, your apps are crashing or closing immediately whenever you try to open them. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you can go to your settings here. Just go to settings, and in settings go to apps, and here if you're facing this issue with a single app, let's say I'm gonna say that I am facing this issue with my WhatsApp, so I'm looking for WhatsApp and installed apps section. Go to installed apps, and here you have to look for the same app with which you're facing the issue. So let's say I'm gonna select this one. Just click on this right dots here, and then click on advanced options. Now in advanced options, just scroll down and you might see the option of repair. So the very first thing, you can try to repair app. So sometimes it might be that it's not your Windows issue, it might be your app issue, which can be easily fixed by repairing or resetting your app. So once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, you can reinstall your current update. So you can go to Windows Update, and here you can make sure that you haven't any pending update here. Or you can also go to System, then scroll down, go to Recovery here, just select Recovery, and under the Fix Problem Without Resetting Your PC, you may see the option of reinstall now. So here's this fix problem using Windows Update, or reinstall your current version of Windows, your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So you just have to click on this reinstall now option. So basically it will reinstall your current Windows update. So it will help you to fix your issue if there will be any updating issue or update installation issue. So it might be fixed in this step. So after that, you will not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue, you just have to press this window button, or you can also go to search, and here just simply search for CMD. Right click on it, click on run as administrator, then click yes. Now here you have to enter a command. So here the first command you can try is sfc scan now, then space slash, and here sfc space slash scan now. So once here you just have to press enter from your keyboard. So it will start a scan. It will completely scan your PC if there will be any issue with your PC files, any corrupt files, so it will be fixed in steps. So after that, you may not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.